Hello guys, welcome to another video again. In today's tutorial, I have a special, special something for you, something that I myself was very surprised at first, and it turned out to be so legit that I begin to ask myself, what was I doing? What was I doing? How come I didn't find out, earlier? Now, in this tutorial, I want to ask a question. Do you want to, make some good amount of BNB sitting at home? Yes, I guess everybody wants to do that. But the thing is, I've heard that before and I've been searching and searching, all lead me to no good result. Now, today I find out about this. In fact, someone trusted refer me to this particular site. It's called quickbnb.io. In fact, I wouldn't call it a site because it's already incorporated into Trust Wallet. Okay, it's already incorporated into Trust Wallet. It's a legit smart chain site that allows users of Binance smart chain to invest their smart chain and get some percentage of profit back daily. All right, daily. Now, if you have BNB lying down in your Trust Wallet, not yielding anything, all it does is go up and come down due to the nature of crypto market. I don't see that as business wise. I don't see that as business wise. But what if I tell you that you can actually invest some of your BNB and get a very, very good, more than times 3 of what you invest. Now, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to do that. Like I say, the name of this site is called quickbnb.io. Now, all we have to do is copy the link and paste it in our dApp to connect to our wallet, just like the way we connect Airdrop site to our wallet to read our wallet so that we can execute a smart call. It also execute smart call. Now, the next we're going to do now is click the dApp. I'm going to paste the link in my dApp browser and then search. I'm going to drop the link in the description in case you cannot get it. You can go into our Trust Wallet, go subscribe to our Telegram channel so that you can get your hand on the address. Okay, now I'm going to change it from Ethereum to Smart Chain. As we all know, it's normal. Now, this is the site. As you can see, it's called QuickBNB. Now, QuickBNB yields smart contract. As you can see, it yields smart contract. Now, all you have to do is take your time, go through the site, make your own research, and see if you want to invest into it or not. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, far from it, but I'm sharing this with you because I have already done it. All right, because I have already done it. It's something that I feel that is good for me to share with you guys, my subscribers, because this is really, really, really good, and I'm earning a lot from this, from this investment. As you can see, current max daily profit is 3%. Imagine you invest something like 5 BNB. Do you know what 3% of 5 BNB is? That is huge. You are going to get this 3% daily. Now, the minimum amount of BNB you can invest is 0.1 BNB. That's about $52. That's about $52 that you can invest into this, and you get 3% daily of your investment. That is huge. Okay, now let's go through the site. As you can see, now for me to be telling you this means I have already invested into this project already, into this site. As you can see, you can go through it, then go through it. Now, the reason why you are seeing my dashboard button appear here is because as you can see it here like this, is because I have already I've already deposited into this site. All right, now the next we are going to do now is we see here it say earn in real time, daily profit, BNB, maximum profit, like that, maximum profit of BNB, so on and so forth. Now, the one interesting thing I want you to see here is this. One BNB will yield 270%. That is equivalent to what? 2.7 BNB. That is, when you invest 1 BNB, you are definitely going to be making 2.7 BNB. All right, 2.7 BNB at the end of your investment. And this is the referral profit. As you can see from here, the referral profit, like that, and the max total you are going to be earning is what? 3.3 BNB. Man, this is more than times 3 of what you invest. This is more than times 3 of what you invest, and it's legit. Like I said, it's legit. I'm going to show you in a short while. It's legit. Look at it. See, get started. If you want to begin, you click. Like I said, the minimum amount is 0.1 and the maximum amount is not stated, but I know the minimum amount is what? 0.1. Now I'll just click the dashboard. I'll just click my dashboard. As you can see, I'll click dashboard to view my investment. Now, the moment you get into this site, to ask you to connect your wallet, simply connect your wallet. It's armless. Just connect your wallet. Then you now decide the amount of BNB you want to invest and the type of what investment you want to go to. Now, there are practically 3 investments you can do. You have the hen farming, which yield 125% daily, and it's forever. We have the cow farming, which yield 2.5% daily, and it's 150 days. We have the ox farming, which yield 3% daily, and it's 90 days. Now, for me, I invested into the ox farming. Yes, into the ox farming. I invested into the ox farming, and as you can see down here, this is what I have earned today. I have earned as you can see from here, I have earned 2.5 USD from my BNB. All right, from my BNB, and as you can see from here, like this, like I told you, I invested just 0.14 BNB. 0.14, that's about $54. Yes, it's something that I know I invested it, and now look at what I'm getting daily. I'm getting 2.5 USD daily. Man, that's huge. I'm getting 2.5 USD daily. That's huge. For now, my BNB has been lying dormant in my wallet without even yielding anything. But now I just invest and I'm getting 2.5 USD. Imagine tomorrow, next tomorrow, 4 days coming, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, 10 days. Just imagine how much I'm going to be earning from just investing $54 worth of BNB. That's huge. And you can decide to be withdrawing daily. You can decide to say, okay, you want to withdraw this amount. Tomorrow on you withdraw it, next tomorrow on you withdraw it, or you can just leave it and let it rise and rise until you decide to withdraw it. But just know the ox farming lasts for 90 days, and after 90 days you'll be forced to withdraw all your money and your profit. All right, so that is it. You can come here, take your time, look at it, and decide what you want to invest in. And for those of you that will be going for the referral program, be rest assured that yes, they have a very good referral program. Here, after you have invested, you'll be given a unique link to invest, to copy, so that you can send to your loved ones, to the social media and everywhere, so that you can get referral. And believe me, you're going to earn a lot from it. Okay, you're going to earn a lot from it. So I thought I should share it with you guys. As you can see, this is really awesome. It's really awesome. I'm thinking of investing more after this video. Okay, now that is it for today. Please, in case you've not subscribed to this our channel, do well by subscribing and liking and sharing this video, and also subscribe to our Telegram channel so that you can get your hands on contract address and the link address for all the videos that I make. And when you subscribe to our Telegram channel, believe me, there are exclusive information you are going to get your hands on that I don't make videos for. Okay, that is it for today. Thanks for watching. Next time.